Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a date and time finder. So first, I've loaded the full project. Go to the costumes tab, delete the second costume, delete the costume one like this, and go to background, paint, delete the background too, and sorry guys, make a blue color like this. Yeah, like this. And then after that's done, go to sprite 1, go say when the green flag is clicked, when the green flag is clicked, go to 0 minus 20. Sorry guys, I have a cough. So go to 0 minus 20, and when that's done, ask that if what do what do you want to find, the date or the time. That's done. Sorry guys, I have a bad cough, but that'll be healed. Ask what do you want to find, the date or the time, and wait forever. Sorry, ask for forever if answer is equal to date answer answer is equal to day. No, do not use forever. Sorry. If answer is equal to date, or if answer is equal to date, or why am I duplicating this? I want to duplicate this. If answer is equal to date, then we can use a block named date finder. And you done that, okay, and then you just keep it on the side. You'll come back to that later, and duplicate this. Make another block named time finder. Okay, say okay, and then keep that in the side. Put time finder here. After that's done, you'll edit this to time and time. After that, we'll define the date. So, then make a variable named hours. Oh, wait, date. Sorry, right? Year. Rename the variable year. Make it. Rename the variable and just make a month. Week, not the week. Wait. Yeah, week. No, not the week. W2 and day. After that's done, we show them all for now. And I want large readout, the year to be here, the month to be here. No, not here. Sorry, year to be here, year to be here, month to be here, and date to be here. And if then that's done, and here we go, hide variable day, hide variable date, hide variable date, and then of course we change it month, year. So that's done. Then we do show variable. Wait, yeah, show variable everything. So show variable day, month, and year. After that's done, and we go to say um say current. So and wait, if we take an ad and sorry, yeah, and then so that became and then that became like that. You should not and that okay. You add um the current year. No, you cannot add that. Oh, you can add that. Oh, okay. Then we say the current year. We join. Wait a second, I got an idea. We say join the year. The year is the year is the year is, and we add. Oh wait, after this we add a space, and then the year is the current year. Then we duplicate that 3 times. Hey, no, not like that. Yeah. The set. Oh wait, in between set the things to the things. Am I saying that properly? Okay, I don't know that. Okay, so the month is the current month, and the current day is the current day. What? Yeah, date is the current date, and we changes to year, month, and date. So if this is done, we'll make more variables named hours. Hours. Wait, can we? Wait a second. Can we find the? Yeah. Okay. We can now. Yeah, we can. So time finder. We do make another one named hours. Minutes and seconds. After that, we technically first do this. Duplicate. Changes to hours, minutes, and seconds. After you're done with that, we technically duplicate this whole script. You tell me, oh, why am I not doing this? It'll be much easier. Yeah, we do this. Yeah. Yeah, after we do this, we change the stuff. So hours to hours, minutes, and seconds. The hour is the minute. Minute is, and the second is, and the second is the current, and the hour is the current hour. The minute is the current minute, and the second is this current second. So when then this, oh wait, we forgot this. Say year, say year to current. Oh yeah, we forgot this year. Current year, current month, and current day. And then the current hour, current minute, and the current second is here. After that's done, I think that's it. Let's see. I'll full screen the whole project. Oh yeah, I forgot this. The main thing. When it's wait no large readout. I'll just add year, month, and date. After that, large readout. So hours here, minutes here, here. Oh yeah, here, and seconds here. So now let's check it out. Yeah, let's check it out. So let's click this. What do you want to find? The date or the time? I want to find the date. So today's date is today. Now the year is 2022. The month is first, and the date is 10th. So let's see if it's right. I want to find the date. The year is 2022. Yes. The month is 1. Yes. The date is 10th. Yes. Okay, and let's see if I want time. I want to find it. I want to find the I want to find the time. The hour is 15th. Is it the hour is 15th. Then the second is 22nd. Oh, what happened? What happened? Yes. Um yeah, probably yes. What's happening? But oh yeah. Yes. Because we haven't hide this. Okay, got it. Um, we take this out. Take this. Duplicate. Ah. Okay, whatever. And we take one here. And we duplicate this slide. This thing. And then and now it's gonna so we some date is right, but it's a time right we still don't know. So time on this full screen for you guys. Time. The hour is 15th. It's the hour 15th. Yeah, 15th. And what? Oh, wait. And it said the minute is 17th and the second is 27th, and it'll just change. Oh, and I think I'll just wait a second. I'll wait for Um, and wait for about 9 seconds, 10 seconds. But yeah, and saying here, so 10, and let's wait 10 seconds here too, and then I think we're done. So, bye guys. See you next time. Peace and love from me.